Good morning, guys. Well, whatever time. Hey, what's up? It's Lexi, and today's video is gonna be how I do a couple cool ponytails. I did this hairstyle when I went to Detroit, and you guys were like really loving it, and I really loved it. I felt like real cute or whatever. And I'm gonna do two different styles, and I'm using the Hergivenhair ponytail. I'm so hyped. Shout out to them for partnering with me to create today's video. I actually saw this ponytail all over social media and I was like, nah, I gotta have this ponytail. It's super convenient. I'm always doing ponytails and buns and stuff like that. So this, for it to come with the drawstring and to be an actual ponytail like you see all over the place, I was like, no, I gotta have it. It's a really simple specs on this ponytail. It comes just like this, already assembled. This particular one that I picked out is 16 inches and it's in the kinky texture. I love their kinky texture. I have never had any issues with it. I do own a kinky wig by them. I'm gonna apply some type of sealant to the moisture and just keep it like moisturized until ready for my next wash day. And I'm using the Kandidkinks and KURLS Pineapple Honey Shine Glaze. I love this stuff. And I'm using it to kind of just seal in the moisture that I got from co-washing my hair. I'm gonna use quite a bit because my hair is gonna be in a ponytail for at least the next 4 days, maybe even longer than that. And I'm gonna now separate the puff. And you can do a few twists here if you want. Because I'm going to actually do two styles today, I'm not gonna focus too much on making this into like a bunch of twists. So I'm gonna tuck the ends of that twist in the ponytail and repeat it on this side, twisting it down, and then tucking it away. So your hair is pretty much protected and put away. So now I'm going to apply a serum, and I'm going to use the KURLS Cashmere Caviar Hair Serum. I'm going to put that on the perimeter of my hair. Again, just for some more protection. And I'm going to apply some gel right now. I just don't want to have any flakes, and I find the serum really helps not have flakes. So now it's ponytail time. Like I said, it's very stretched and moisturized. I literally just sprayed some leave-in on it before I began to film. I'm probably gonna put some more. So now it's ponytail time. This ponytail, I can show you guys, it comes with 2 teeth and a drawstring. The drawstring had a bobby pin on it, but I think I lost it when I was traveling. But yeah, it's actually very convenient. So I'm just gonna literally put it right on top. I'm gonna just let it sit right on top, and I'm gonna put the combs in right underneath. Just make sure you kind of get the whole bun in there. And I'm just gonna put the combs in and try to hide the bun as much as possible before you drawstring it, so you don't have any hair hanging out. And that should secure the puff on your bun. Making sure it's secured, and it feels like it all the way around. Oh, my arms hurt, y'all. I'm just gonna wrap it around the drawstring and tuck it somewhere. It's a bunch of hair, so it'll be okay. So now we don't want this puff looking like who didn't got away with it on our head. I'm going to part it and just create a messy bun. And then all I'm gonna do now is my edges a little bit. I got my Nibby or NYB New York edge control, and I'm just gonna put it on my edges, child. Yeah, this edge control has a mirror because next level stuff is happening with these hair products in 2018. I'm doing a very casual edges slay because I'm going to do another hairstyle like right now, so. Okay, so this is look number 1, really simple. Sleek edges, head wrap, and my messy or semi not messy bun. Let me know what you think down below of this first look. You guys can always just slay all of your hair down and slick it all down and look like a ballerina if you want to. I feel cute. Once you have that out of the way, you can begin to work on the perimeter, the front section of your hair. I'm going to wet this section. First of all, it helps the curls come up, those waves. Second of all, it makes the hair more malleable. What I'm gonna do now is apply my gel, which is going to be the Cream of Nature Snot. This stuff holds anything. So when I apply it only to like small sections and not my entire head because the flakes. And I'm literally just gonna lay the section down with the snot. See? And it should lay very smooth on top before brushing and all that. Then I'm gonna brush it down just to make it stay. Woo, sleek, baby. Gonna brush it a little bit so it doesn't get too frizzy and stays in place. And the same thing on this side. It could be easier to just do a middle part, but I don't like easy, because that way you have equal hair on each side. It'll brush out better. So what you can do here, if you have a little humps, pin it. So I get a bobby pin and I'm gonna pin it really close to the start of the pony of the little bun, so it can be very flat to my head. So what I'm gonna do now is wet the top of my head so the waves can come up so my curls can show. I'm gonna brush it. And then I'm gonna take some of this snot, about that much, like a little nickel again, and put it all over the top of here. So I literally have this tied down about 10 different ways, and I want it to be sleek. I have 3 scarves, like it's crazy. So now I'm going to apply the star of the show, the ponytail from Hergivenhair. Again, the bun may have given a little bit of odd shape, but I'm gonna apply some water to it and it'll get right back to what I want. Put the combs in on either side. Make sure the whole bun is in the area for the bun, and pull the drawstring. And as you're pulling, just make sure it's fitting right around the bun, which it should. Perfect, nice and tight. And then, as before, I'm just gonna tuck this drawstring away. And then now, before I begin to kind of style the ponytail, I'm gonna take a piece from the back, like we see in all the tutorials, just to cover up whatever secrets could be showing. Take a piece, pretty thick piece, I like it to be thick, and then wrap it around. Nice and tightly though. I don't want it to be loose and like showing everything. And because this hair is so kinky, I don't even pin that. I just let it be and it stays. So I'm gonna spray it with some leave-in just to wake the hair up. And mind you, this is a braid out. Like I said, I put 3 braids in it. Even me wetting it, you kind of can see how it's calming down and getting tamed. I'm just gonna like finger detangle it a little bit. Not detangle, but finger pick it and pluck it and separate the curls. Literally so easy to maneuver, man. And I used this before on this for the braid out, so I know that the hair actually likes it. And it's the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in. This hair like really liked this product, so. And I like it too. It's very light. I'm just gonna apply it to basically seal in the moisture from the water, from the liquid leave-in, and soften the hair up, give it some nice shine, and make it smell good. So this is the finished look, or whatever. I think it's so cute. Look at this ponytail, guys. I just love it. I just love it. I think it's so cute. Like I'm just, I didn't have to trim it or cut it or anything like that. I just literally took it out of the packaging, combed it, styled it. If your hair is thinner than mine, it should be even easier to put it into this ponytail or a bun or anything like that. Mine just takes a little bit of work and elbow grease and some good products. I feel good about what I put on my hair while I'm putting it into this bun. And I think it looks super cute. I let it sit under the scarf for probably like 20 minutes. If I wasn't going to work right now, I would probably leave it on for like 32 minutes to an hour for my entire hair to really dry. So just want to show you guys how my edges are looking, like swoop gang. No, let me stop. That sounds stupid. Swoop gang. What am I saying? I'm gonna go to work, put the scarf on while I drive, make sure my hair fully dries on the way there, but I'm feeling myself. Okay, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Comment down below your favorite of the two hairstyles. Mine has to be this ponytail. Like, come on. The bun was more like, I'm chill, my hair looks a mess, I'm gonna pop a bun on and go with my like errands and, you know, be cute throughout the day with my little scarf on. This is like, I came to snatch and slay. Don't even look my way. All right, I'm going to go. I will see you guys in the next video. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out this ponytail. It's from Hergivenhair, Kinky texture, 16 inches. It's obviously linked down below. Let me know if you buy it. Let me know if you like it. I'm curious. Tag me in your inspired hairstyles. Okay, for real. Subscribe. Wait, no, to that back. Subscribe. Okay, now for real. Bye.